So we got the superior, the inferior part of the heart. We got the right side and then the left side because it's the pointy side. We got the aorta right here, the pulmonary trunk here, the left atricle and the left atrium here. This is the left ventricle down here. Then we got the right ventricle, the right auricle or the right atrium. And then here is the anterior interventricular succulus at the boundary between the right and the left ventricles. Okay, this is the inferior side of the heart. We got the vena cava right here. That goes into the right ventricle. And then we got the aorta up here, which is the largest artery of the body. We have this right here. It's a pulmonary artery that goes to the lungs. And then we got in here that goes into the left ventricle, pulmonary veins, which blood flows from the lungs and back into the heart. Okay, this is the anterior and the posterior side. We open it half. Here we have the vena cava, which goes into the right atrium, which then flows to the right ventricle and then up out into the pulmonary artery, which goes to the veins, and then back through the pulmonary vein, which goes into the left atrium, down to the left ventricle, and then up to the aorta and out to the body. Okay, now the valves. We got the aortic semilunar valve, which is in the aorta. It will be right here. The tricuspid valve is between the right atrium and the right ventricle, which would be this right here. And then we got the pulmonary semilunar valve, which would be in the pulmonary trunk, which would be somewhere here. And then the bicuspid valve would be between right here, these little right here, that splits the left atrium and the left ventricle.